Alright, welcome back, guys. So, we're gonna do a fireworks. All of our fireworks. You're not gonna undo the video again. We're gonna do the sword first, though. We're gonna take tonight. Ready? Light it.
Oh, that's how you do it? Okay.
Let's light it. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay.
Let's maybe not shoot it at me. I'll go. How about... There you go. Gosh.
Alright.
That was cool.
Alright, watch me put it in the bucket.
Yep.
Right. Let's do another one. We'll do, the Ellie is gonna be last, okay?
Okay.
Here, do the stink bomb. Or do this one first.
Alright, we're gonna do the Super Mario Game On ones.
Let me see. You're gonna show me it.
Do that in the dirt.
Alright.
Yeah.
What is he doing?
So, I have to untape this.
Would you like some help or?
No.
Oh.
Oh, these are gonna be awesome. Their colors, smoke bombs.
Oh.
Alright.
They had a ton of fireworks in the
That
store.
much deep.
They had a ton.
Alright. Alright, guys, I got it. Should we put it on the floor, you think? Let's just
Yeah,
put
on the
it
dirt. Yep.
Yeah.
Now put it
Is
more towards the grass.
Is it something that we need to
Like
step
like
away
this?
from?
Yeah, I would. Alright, go over there, Mom.
Yeah, put it kind of like in the middle, right?
I did. Like here?
Yeah.
Alright, move back, Mom. I'll move back, Mom.
I think that should have been over here more because there's a tree.
Wow.
Okay. Really neat.
That's cool. Wow, that's cool.
That is cool, guys.
Remember, don't delete this video. Or dang, that was awesome.
Best one ever.
That one was good.
I know, imagine the Ellie. Yeah, water it off.
We need to do the alley over.
Yeah, Ellie will be in the
Yeah, I
middle of
know.
the yard.
Wash it off just to make sure it doesn't.
Yeah.
You see the thing?
Why?
Isn't
No.
that- It's a smoke bomb. I don't know if you want to do this. You gotta light it and then throw it. So you better move out of the way.
Oh, move out of the way, Mom.
Make sure you throw it in the
Is that
grass.
okay if he lights that and throws it, Jeff?
Light it,
Uh.
throw it.
Is that how
Yeah.
you're supposed to do?
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
kind of scared to do it.
Yeah.
But
That's all right. Dad has the hose.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't and just chuck it.
Okay.
I mean-
I did it.
Watch.
Oh, cool!
Oh, that's
I've never
nice.
seen something like that before.
I like that.
That's neat.
I know, we should have got a bunch more of these.
Oh,
right?
that's cool. Do a couple of them at a time.
Here.
Wait.
Kane, can we try and do a few of those at a time? That looks awesome.
Here.
I really wish I could take a photo, but look at the lights
No,
at
I
the
just
Phoenix
want-
Children's.
I don't.
Look at the lights at Phoenix Children's.
I know.
They're red, white, and blue. Wow.
They were red,
That's
white,
so
and blue.
cool.
I don't want you to pause or delete this
Okay,
video.
okay.
Katie, come on.
Kane,
We
do
got
a
more.
couple.
Oh. Alright, now I know it's not gonna light like really, really fast. 'Cause I thought it was gonna light like really
know.
fast. I was like chug
So
it.
light, chuck it, and then do these.
Yeah,
At the
light
same
it,
time.
throw it.
Light, chuck,
Good.
throw it. Here, light this one. Hurry up,
You should just let it form, but
throw it. Here,
Well, that's
do
close.
this one.
Wow, that's cool.
They're the same color this time. Oh, that one's like a red-orange, guys.
Wow, nice.
That is awesome looking. I've never seen something like that before. Look, it's red, white, and blue.
Oh, it is.
Look at it. How cool.
Got 4
Look,
more.
look anyway.
Do them. Put them like right here.
Throw it towards your mom.
Just, no,
I mean, not at her, towards her.
like right here. What's behind me?
I want to do it right there so it connects in with all these.
Here.
What? I think this is gonna be.
These are neat. I've never seen something like this before.
Here, I got 2 more.
Oh, look at a yellow one, Jeff.
Yeah.
Look at guys.
Where'd it go?
Guys, you missed the yellow.
I know, I see it.
Hey, you missed the whole yellow.
I saw the
Nice.
yellow.
It's still there.
You dropped one. It's right below your feet. Look straight down. Between your feet. Right there.
Ooh, look at that.
Green. Oh, the green's
That's
cool.
like cool.
Those are really neat.
We need to go back, and if they have any more, we gotta get some
I've never in my life seen these.
tomorrow or whatever.
Alright. What other fireworks do we have?
I don't know.
We're gonna go in here. We should do all the sparklers first. Sure. Yeah. Alright, you want one, Mom?
Sure. Can I have the pink one?
Pink? Not only our smoke bomb, but a stink bomb.
I'm gonna do this one. I like to do it with my right hand, because if I put my right hand, at least it's not my dominant hand, yeah.
Good logic.
So just light.
I know it takes a minute because there's a lot of stuff through it, I think.
Hey, kid. You can't light those over the other ones. Kane.
Go over that way, honey.
Kane.
Yeah, Dad, I got it, Dad. You're in a video.
He's doing a video.
Well, I understand that.
Yeah, I know. I think you're on.
So like the Three Musketeers.
My
All for one, one for all.
Looks like his is finally going.
You must
Yeah,
have got
that's
a light or
weird.
something.
No, it'll go. There we go.
wow,
Good job.
look how light that is.
Got yours. That was awesome. Didn't get mine though. There we go.
Hi.
Yeah, you look so much cooler.
Look how light it is.
Don't they? That's why I said you gotta have at least some sparklers. This is like,
Wow, record me.
I am. That's all I'm doing.
You haven't stopped it, right?
No.
Alright. So you should never stop it.
Really?
Okay, where at least I know I'm free.
We still gotta do all the sparklers.
Do you want to do
There's
two
only
new
like
ones?
$2. We don't need to do any more sparklers. We can save those for later.
Alright.
'Cause there's not all that much to them.
Oh, the Ellie's gonna be so good.
Yes, it is.
I wish Soul was here right now.
I know.
Not here right now. He's doing other stuff at his other fireworks.
That's okay though. Right?
You can hear all the other fireworks.
I think he wanted to stay here.
Yeah, he was like trying to get.
Yeah. He was not having it. Stay like that. I'm trying to video you.
Hand me to Ellie.
Gotta wait till this is out.
Oh no, mine's about to run out.
Oh, you have two? Fucking double fisting it? There's something just really like mesmerizing about it. Cause it like, how does it look like a little firework?
I know it's running out.
There, you gotta figure out how to open it.
No, you don't open it.
Give it to Dad.
Why'd you put it? Jeez, they're not even out yet. Wait for mine.
Killing the sparkle. Give it to Dad to open.
Okay, let me see.
You just.
Let me see. Thing. Show me it.
You're just under the tape.
Show me it. Show me it.
Alright, here's the Ellie right here.
Show it up.
Ellie.
Nice.
Alright, we're gonna open it.
This is our grand finale.
Alright, so what have we been saving
So we're
for?
gonna put kind of towards the back over there.
It's our grand finale, guys.
Yeah, right there.
It's our grand finale, Kane. Yep. Looks great.
That's good. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, you better get out of there.
Yeah. So much for swinging.
Alright, finally got it. Alright, finally got it, okay?
Okay.
I hear that? Alright, I'm gonna.
You're gonna do it and then come this direction, okay?
Hey, no, wait.
It's fine. Right?
Well, he doesn't have a level.
I'm sorry.
Wow! There's Ellie out here.
Yeah? You did a very good job. Oh no! Go over here, buddy. Go over here.
Yeah, it's gonna blow up.
Okay.
Oh look, there's still more slots.
I feel like it's gonna get wild.
Yeah, I do too.
I love the colors. See you guys.
I put the light on the trampoline. Yay! Right, and I go again. I don't think
What do you think?
that was cool.
Success?
That was something cool.
Kane, do you want to wrap up your video? Do you want
Yeah. Alright, guys, guess that's it.
Bye, buddy.
Right.
to? Yeah, happy 4th of
Bye.
July. Happy 4th of July. Yep. Good job.